Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add countdowns here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so there are lots of ways of doing this, but this is by far one of the simplest. I'm going to grab the text box up here and add this to my video. And I want the countdown to be exactly 5 seconds long. Now you can see at the very top of your screen, when you're looking along here the videos, it shows you how long you are in your timeline. So if I go all the way across to 1 second, I can press this button, which is split, and split the text up as we're going along. So let's do the same with 2 seconds. Drag that over right there, and you can see exactly 2 seconds. And then again, if we go to 3, split, and we'll do exactly the same with 4, split. Now what we need to do is go to the text boxes themselves and just change the numbers. So we're going to input the text here as 1, as 2, as 3, as 4, and then you'll never guess what comes next. It will be number 5. Now all we need to do is go to the very beginning and press play. As you can see, it is changing time for every second that it plays. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.